FEC's number 109. Dominic told me there's 2 Jeeps leading this train. Smart person and a black car. Smart person. Hot rail. After the meet in Miko with FEC's 210.
New FEC hoppers, look at that! Wow, clean! Wow, looks like the housing industry's coming back up too.
Not so much of a long train, but it's still worth catching. Yeah, that lumber. Woo! EOT 1047. It's BBT 609 here near the switch. I'm outpost 214.9 on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to the on-team train of 210 and to the crew of 109. Happy birthday to my beautiful mother. I'm not going to say her age because, you know, for ladies, they don't like their age announced. But anyways, happy birthday to her. This is like her birthday train. So, but anyway, look, listen, and live.